You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Sanskrit origin if you want to learn more. Confusing Indian names and other South Asian culture names. Make sure to stay tuned, I've got more videos for you pronounced in English and also Sanskrit pronunciation. Sakshi, meaning witness. Sakshi, stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce Sakshi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.